of course, is our final lesson plan, and so we decided that we were going to do 2nd grade, and we were doing weather. So, and our theme is weather patterns. Oh gosh, are you recording me? Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. That makes me nervous. Okay. So yeah, we're talking about weather patterns. So, and then we broke it down into each section of the arc. So, first, that was chill. Okay.
So first, I did visual.
Science standards are the same, but then my creative dramatic standard is use performance to communicate ideas and feelings. So my student objective is students will use improvisation to perform a weather forecast that communicates to an audience the ideas and feelings of the performers. So my activity is, or like the integration part of it, you guys are going to, like all of the weather conditions that you have learned that we went over, you're going to use that to make a weather forecast and like perform it to the class. So if I was in a real class, I would show a YouTube video and give them an example of what a forecast looks like, because 2nd graders might not watch the weather a lot. So I would show that, and then we can do this activity. You can stay in the same groups and just make the weather forecast. It can be really short, like 2 or 3 minutes. But think about like for you guys who, like a snowstorm in North Carolina, like that's pretty dramatic. So like, what would be like your tone? Like how would you like, would you be like, oh, it's snowing, like?
Serious, would be like, this is Sarah reporting the news, this is a snowstorm and it is freezing.
Yeah. And so you think about like, would you use pictures to show people like what's going on in this location of the weather? Would you use graphs? Like maybe like last year it wasn't snowing this much at this time, so like you can compare that. So just think about that. I'll give you guys a couple minutes and then come back together and make sure everybody like has a speaking part.
So use this, so part of it is to use your props that you made in art.
Oh yeah,
Art
I'm sorry.
lesson in your creative dramatics.
Yeah.
You want to start then?
But like you could too, like you could say something to your language, you can just say, I would be what your language. You know what I mean? Like you don't have to have
Yeah, so you guys are like acting like a news like anchor, like weather forecast.
So like,
Oh, that's good. That's good. What do you guys think?
are y'all good?
Yeah.
Oh,
You could say like there's a large buildup of clouds.
snow cloud cover.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay.
Or do you warning? Stay away from windows.
Yeah,
Try
that's
not
good.
to drive.
Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, there's things that would happen if hail hit.
So what was your knocked up?
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay. What group wants to go first?
We'll go first.
Okay.
Can you come up to the front too?
Yeah.
This is gonna be like real.
Look, like we have a real camera.
Yeah, we have a real camera. This is gonna be your camera right here.
Like camera.
Yeah, literally. As nerve-wracking as it is.
And breaking news, it's snowing outside. There's 12 inches of snow on the ground and it is less than 20 degrees outside.
You won't be seeing any sun today.
Warning, stay away from windows. Don't go on a walk today.
Now back to you, Tess.
I did prepare for this. I, brought this prop. She knew.
Action.
So today, again, there's a heavy rainstorm, and it's going to get heavier throughout the day, especially in the afternoon, and lighten up this evening. But make sure to stay off the roads because it's getting crazy, and there are already a lot of accidents.
And make sure you wear your rain boots so you can walk places instead of driving, but so you will still stay dry.
And don't forget your umbrella. You'd hate to be caught out in the storm. Back to you.
That was good. That was really good. So I would just like talk to the students about like the tone, like to incorporate creative dramatics, talk about their tone and the voice and how they communicate to the audience their feelings and of the weather. all for Theatre Dramatics.